Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Cardano. Cardano's Charles Hoskinson criticizes Consensus, claims Morgan has no stakes in Cardano. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has taken to Twitter to issue a public response on the matter of Consensus' disclosure of a 2020 deal, which saw Morgan Chase acquire what has been called an influential stake on two of Consensus' CAG flagship products, MetaMask and Infer. According to Hoskinson, Morgan has no stakes in the Cardano blockchain, and that neither does it have any presence or control in any critical Cardano infrastructure. According to the special audit filed by 35 shareholders from Consensus AG, there were fundamental intellectual property and subsidiaries illegally transferred from CAG into a new entity, Consensus Software Incorporated (CSI). These were specified further regarding the transfer's involvement of two flagship products served by Consensus, MetaMask and Infer, crypto wallet and gateway, respectively. According to a press release issued by the shareholders, the transfer was effectively offset in exchange for 10% ownership of CSI, with an offset of $39 million loan that was purportedly made by Joseph Lubin, Consensus founder and major shareholder. This transaction was recorded on August 14, 2020, and has since been the subject of criticism among Consensus shareholders. The transaction was internally codenamed as Project North Star, and allegedly resulted in legacy financial institutions such as Morgan Chase obtaining a sizable stake in MetaMask and Infer. In the crypto industry, the two aforementioned flagship products are widely used as critical infrastructure for the Ethereum ecosystem, serving as a crypto wallet for the former, and as an IPFS and API gateway for decentralized applications built on the Ethereum blockchain. Hoskinson's comments come off as a criticism of the Consensus suite of products, most of which are aimed at the development of Ethereum. As we know, the Cardano blockchain itself is poised as an Ethereum killer among other similar Layer 1 blockchains that have sought to compete with Ethereum's dominance. The second news today is Cardano, assessing the odds of ADA's near-term price revival. Since hitting its Cardano Ada has downturned and practically swayed below its 20 to 50 EMA. The decline proved to be alarming for the bulls as they failed to defend the critical 94-cent mark. Assuming the willingness of the bulls to keep a foothold on the 13-month-long support near the $0.843-$0.824 range, ADA should aim for near-term revival. While the price seemed skewed towards the cheaper side of the Bollinger Bands, ADA positioned itself to test its 20 EMA red before a slight pullback to its long-term support. At press time, the altcoin was trading at $0.835. Disclaimer. The findings of the following analysis are the sole opinions of the writer, and should not be considered investment advice. Since hitting its Cardano Ada has downturned and practically swayed below its 20 to 50 EMA. The decline proved to be alarming for the bulls, as they failed to defend the critical 94-cent mark. Assuming the willingness of the bulls to keep a foothold on the 13-month-long support near the $0.843-$0.824 range, ADA should aim for near-term revival. While the price seemed skewed towards the cheaper side of the Bollinger Bands, ADA positioned itself to test its 20 EMA red before a slight pullback to its long-term support. At press time, the altcoin was trading at $0.835. ADA formed a 6-month-long descending channel, reversal pattern, yellow, while the alt was on a steep downtrend. Furthermore, it has lost over 72% of its value since its and formed two bearish flags over the last 2 months. Consequently, it fell towards its 9-month low on 24 February, while the buyers stepped in to defend the 82-cent level. Interestingly, this level of support has stood as a testing floor for nearly 13 months. In the last 2 days, the bearish flag breakdown kept testing the support level, while the bulls rejected lower prices. From here on, a test of the 82-cent level would be likely before ADA revives itself to test its 7-week trendline resistance, white dashed, the close above the $0.9 level would be vital to open recovery gates to exit its steep near-term downtrend. Should the bulls dwindle, a close below the lower trendline of the long-term down channel could fuel a fallout. The RSI favored the bears after it lost the 38-point level. Also, for the past 12 days, the price action has been testing the $0.843 level, while the RSI witnessed higher troughs. This reading reaffirmed a recovery possibility from its immediate support range. Also, the gap between the DMI lines seemed overstretched. This justified near-term bearish movements before the distance between the lines tightened. So, for end conclusion, considering the confluence between the higher troughs of the RSI and the overstretched position of its EMAs and DMI, a revival towards $0.9 seems likely in the days to come. Moreover, investors should keep a close eye on Bitcoin's movement as ADA shares a 77% 30-day correlation with the King coin. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40.